The main reason for our trip to Southeast Asia was to visit the little Cambodian village of Preto near Battambang. A couple years ago, we set up the Cambodian Village Fund to collect money for the village. We took a boat from Siem Reap down the Tonle Sap River. We passed by floating villages and riverbanks lined with houses on stilts. Our boat provided a front row seat to life along the river. The 3 to 5 hour boat ride turned out to be almost 7 hours. Never boring, but our legs started to go numb around hour 6. After a night in Battambang, Mon Seourn, our Cambodian friend who lives in San Diego, and her daughter Mao, who lives in the village, picked us up at the hotel. Our first stop was the open-air market in the center of Battambang. Next, we headed to the village, about 45 minutes away. Although we didn't know it at the time, the school was preparing for our arrival. The teachers set up tables, while the school children rehearsed lining up in rows by size and gender. To keep the kids busy, the teachers had them do some calisthenics. Just before our car arrived at the school, the children lined up along the road leading to the school. As our car pulled up, we saw 720 cheering school children on both sides of the road. Bill and I were weak-kneed and overcome with emotion as we got out of the car. The school's headmaster, teachers, and town dignitaries bowed, greeted us, and put orchid leis around our necks. They handed Mon Seourn a bouquet of flowers. We walked through 100 yards of excited, beautiful children. They came in a range of sizes, from 1st to 6th graders. Most of them were wearing their old, worn school uniforms that had been passed down from bigger brothers and sisters. There were 5 or 6 long tables piled high with gift packages purchased with money from our Cambodian Village Fund. Each package contained a notebook, flip-flops, a pen, and a school shirt. Each child also received a roll and a bottle of water. The headmaster, the mayor, and Mon Seourn all gave speeches. Bill and I handed out packages to each grateful child who politely thanked us. The kids dived into their rolls. They were hungry and the rolls were a real treat. After the celebration, the kids left for home, each carrying their gifts. Then we gave the teachers each a shirt. After the last child left, a group of village leaders, along with Mon Seourn, walked us out to an open field they want to reclaim for a new school building. The cost to drain the land is $3,500. Our village needs a new school building, so I guess we have to find a way to build one. We walked to Mao's house. Mon Seourn refers to it as Hotel Mao. On the way, we stopped at the local temple. When we arrived at Hotel Mao, the ground floor was packed with family, village dignitaries, and teachers. Mao and her kitchen crew served up a huge Khmer feast, barbecued chicken wings, my favorite, shrimp, beef, vegetables, and rice with special sauces. Everything was delicious and fresh, made with the meat and veggies we picked up at the market just a few hours earlier. After lunch, Mao's son scurried up a palm tree to gather coconuts. We drank the coconut milk with straws. After the guests left, we were off with Mon Seourn, Mao, and other family members to explore the village. We headed down the dirt road Mon Seourn built years ago, connecting the farms to the main road. An ice cream vendor came pedaling by with his frozen goods. We stopped him to buy ice cream for the kids nearby. Word travels fast, and within minutes, kids were coming from all directions. There was no pushing or grabbing, just little kids standing along the dirt road with melting ice cream dripping down their happy, dusty faces. We stopped at a few farms to say hello. We visited a man in his early 40s who suffered a major stroke a couple years ago. His worried wife was by his side. They have 10 children to feed. Life is really tough for them. We gave them a little money and left with heavy hearts. We learned later the man died shortly after our visit. The sun was very hot, so we went back to Mao's house to relax with her family in the area under the house.